How to change Shopeepay password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the Shopeepay password. First, open the Shopee application on your mobile device. Tap on Me in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Settings at the top. In the Settings menu, tap on Account and Security. Now tap on Change Password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password. Then enter and confirm your new password. After updating your password, go back to the security section to ensure everything is up to date. In My Profile, you can also change other details like your name, bio, and personal information. Next, go back to the main menu and tap on My Addresses. Here, you can change your address by adding a new one or editing the existing one. You can also change the region if necessary. Make sure to review other sections to ensure all your information is accurate and up to date. Following these steps will help you successfully change your Shopeepay password and keep your account secure. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.